Do you know what the #1 concern is for people who want to become a landlord? You might be thinking it's probably the tenant not paying rent, right? Well, believe it or not, after helping hundreds of investors with their tenants, that's not the issue, especially when you work with a professional who knows how to find the right tenants and do the proper filtering. But the top 3 concerns landlords should be having is noise transfer. So between both floors, both units, noise transfer is a big concern. Number 2 is major repairs and damages, so a sewage backup as an example. And the third thing is tenant turnover. So when a tenant gives notice that they want to vacate, then there could be vacancy, there could be costs of, I gotta patch up, paint up, clean up, maybe some vacancy. Those are the 3 concerns that you should be thinking about. So if you want to know more, I'm very passionate about this stuff, give me a call, we'll talk.